Hello guys, good morning, It's me again, Ryan, and I'm back with the best day trading recap ever. No, kidding. So I got a really good trade out of BBBY. It was shortable at first to open, but now it's not shortable anymore. You can see this, but symbol is not shortable. Blah blah blah. But I got it. Short right at the opening price when it reversed back, and then defended this opening price 1160, and then I shorted it there. Just used that level and risking just high of this candle. Yeah, it was a great short. We're still holding 25% of my position because I just probably want to get all out somewhere here in case it goes there $10. Yeah, first I actually shorted it pre-market. So let's look at my pre-market short. One sec. Let's put a stop loss here. So I shorted 911 at 1175. There you go, 1175 here. When I saw that it rejected this area here, and I wanted VWAP actually, so I risked just this. Oh, it's dropping. Is it dropping? Oh no, it's not. Because I saw the timing cells moving crazy. So I just used this area here as a risk. But actually, if it makes new high, I'm probably just gonna get all out because it's hard to trade pre-market. You can use market order, so even limit order, it's gonna be harder for you to get filled right away. Yeah, so I shorted it here. It was an SSR, but it's shortable. Then took profit. So I was out here. Because like I didn't want to give back anything, or I didn't want to get squeezed. This can squeeze in pre-market. That's why I did that. And one more thing I did was I took it long at the open here when it held VWAP. It was really obvious to held VWAP. And I have this very small risk here, but I was risking 50 cents, but I'm just gonna risk the low of this candle here. If it loses VWAP, and it loses this candle here, then it's probably gonna drop. But it did not, so I took it there. Took profit, just crazy. So all out here. My shares like almost all out, and then stop out of break even. So I was actually done, just like that. But I said, okay, there's still price action, and then it dropped more, and then recovered really crazy. So I have this level here at 1045 that I want to try in case if it reaches there, probably take it long. But I didn't go there. I thought it's gonna bounce at least at 1050. I didn't go there. Yeah, so I waited for an opportunity. It went back to 1150 opening price. Actually 1156 opening price, and see how it reacts there. Price action. Waited for it to get weaker, and then I shorted it here. Yeah, just risking just 1170 here, and then yeah, I took profit, slowly taking profit, and then I got more here. I'm actually just said, okay, I'm gonna hold it to $10 in case. And then I was actually trying to add here earlier when I left my desk around this time, by the way. So I just let it go. But I have range orders set because I got something to do. I was trying to add here when I'm back. I was trying to add here at 1120. It's not shortable anymore. So all shorts are gone. So yeah. One sec. Somebody's calling me. Okay. It's probably a scam. So yeah. So it looks like it's still weak. Probably going to retest the low of day. It did not reclaim VWAP. So I got a good entry out here at 46. So I didn't get stopped there. So I'm holding 25%, more than 20% of my shares in case, because I took more here before I left. I want to hold it to $10 in case. Yeah, so that's about it. I didn't have levels actually because I thought I was going to trade FL. Foot Locker was actually my go-to trade in case today because it's in the list. But at pre-market, I was actually really tempted to short here. Yeah, this area here, but good thing I did not. If not, I'm going to be stopped anyways. So it was strong open. How much was the volume first minute? So 300,000. So actually, yeah, that was a very bad rejection. You could have shorted it here at 39.64, but still you get stopped. The thing with stocks above 3% or 5%, it's gonna get choppy, or yeah, it's just gonna be too far from VWAP at the open. Like as you can see here, it just stopped around, right, because it's 20%. So the only way it can go is either a lot of more people want to get in, and or a lot of people wants to sell their shares because it's 20%, right? So a lot of people are going to exchange shares. It's just going to get choppy. So that's based on my experience. That's what's happened. But if it's 3% with volume, then that's where it probably can continue. If this was only 3% pre-market and has crazy volume in Arval, then it's probably most likely going to continue to break out. Let's say like 3% here is probably going to break out more. But look at that. Like, who's not going to take profit for that, right? I'm pretty sure. So I had levels there at 39.75. Let's see where it is. 39.75. So that was a level here. So actually a good area to kind of play around short, or even just watch the area, how it performs. So that's about 30 cents. So that's about 1% of this is 40 cents. So that's about, we can play around 40 cents. You can just play around with this range here. So it did touch the range that I have, 38.29, 39.75. So the range was $1.86. So ATR of this is only $1.13. So that's more than $1. So that's pretty good. But it's a $38 stock. So per trade, probably you want to risk 50 cents, 40 cents per trade. But it's moving crazy. Like this one here moved about 80 cents, not almost $1. This one here, this candle. So that's crazy. You can it's also an IC stock. Yeah, so let's look at my scanner, maybe. If that's going to help. So this was my scanner earlier. BBBY is not here because float of BBBY is 68 million. So this is float is above 75. But I know BBBY is going to be a mover, so even it's not here, I'm still going to trade it. So the highest RVOL for today was FL, with 1.7 million. That's pre-market, and up 25%. So that's good. Yeah. So it dropped about 5%, which is, I don't know how much, because it's right at 20% now. It's probably gonna bounce somehow out. The next one would probably AMC. I did not watch AMC. And Mara. Let's look at Mara. So let's look at Mara and what else? Maybe Plug. So Plug is really low. Plug and Mara. Let's look. Let's look at Mara. That's not bad. So yeah, it's an SSR now. Wow. Is Mara? Yes, probably at the open it did. Oh, it touched my level 1420. Yeah, look how it rejected that level there. Amazing. Is that a short? So it's see how thick levels react. And then it's now at low day. Yeah, so that's about not really big move, but yeah, good enough. So Plug. Oh, sorry about that. Plug was a good mover. Yeah. So it did. I have previous levels here. 27.46. These are my old levels. Like even this one. See, and levels are just, I can trade off of levels. See how it reacts. Trade the price action. Easy as that. Anyways, I've been talking so much. It's Friday. Let's go back and watch my recap. So I haven't stopped out. Yeah, so I'm still holding this share. Yeah, let's watch. But before everything else, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and follow me on my social media accounts. Let's watch. Yes, as you can see here, I traded it short, but I was out already. So let's pause this a bit. Let's fast forward. So Let's probably go here. Okay, 1 6. So this is ranging now about, look at 2.1 million. Wow, that's that's a really good long trade. Yes, and took majority of it there. Amazing. Yeah, let's rewind it and just put it a twice the speed. Okay. So when I saw, like, as you can see here, the range is about 40 cents. So this candle is 41 cents. You can see here, here. So the cool thing about adding an ATR, so adding an ATR here, one ATR, it tells you how much the candle moved right away. So you don't have to calculate or think, oh, how much do I need to risk? How much, you know, it will, you need to act fast. So this tells you how much, right? Just like that. So you can sort of use 50 cents or 40 cents as your risk. And it's also, for me, the reason why I took it long. It's really, I know it's still early, but I know it's holding BWAP, this 1120 here, right? Imagine if I trade a 40 cent risk here or 50 cent risk and just risk this, you don't lose a lot, right? As long as you get out. High, low of this is 11.15. So let's say you got in at 11.20. That's a 5 cent loss out of 50 cent, right? So that's nothing. So 20, I was watching 20. When I saw that actually it rejected there, it was strong. Then I got in. Average is 11.36. So I'm gonna take profit somewhere at 80 area, at this area here. Took a little bit just in case. There you go. Oh man, I wish I did not use market order there. Yeah, that was my fault there, but it's okay. So that's actually just a 25% take profit there. And I'm gonna get all out in case, because it looks like it's having a hard time at 12. So there's a level here at 12.21. I know I'm still early, but I know if it goes below this 12, it's gonna drop, because there's a range here. So this is a 20% range. For me, a good all out would be just somewhere at 80 or 90. But I decided to just get out here when I saw that it's really having a hard time. So I'm holding a little bit. So how much? So holding 10% here. Actually, I was just holding 10%, but I caught most of the move. I should have gotten all out here when I saw that it's getting really weak. I thought it's gonna hold 11.56 somehow. I was actually considering to add, but it was just weak. So after I saw that, it's like, okay, I'll put in my all out or stop loss, break even. So there you go. That was it. Let's look at Foot Locker, how it performed. So it was just choppy. Yeah, it could have been tough to trade. Yeah, this could have been tough to trade, but never mind, I didn't trade that. So let's go back here and see my second move. Actually, wherever you were trying to defend, actually you can reverse your entry if it loses it. So you can use this candle here, which is about 36 cents, and then use this 11.50 as a kind of gauge. But the thing is, it's an SSR, but really hard to short. So a lot of people are shorting now because it's still shortable. There you go. You could have traded 30 cents there, risk maybe 50 cents. 11.50. And it's probably going to drop to 10.50, I think. I can't remember where it went. I think it's going to drop. Yeah, like round numbers, half round numbers are like magnets when trading momentum stock. Like this, you can see from the time and sales, it's a lot of green prints here. Okay, I'm seeing red prints, not green prints. So I'm seeing green prints now, meaning it's somebody's like trying to get filled. Huge size, I think. Whoever shorted it there, trying to get filled and dumping their shorts. There, see that? And those are probably iceberg trade because you don't see a lot of big size. Probably just dumping their holdings. I think that's why. Look at the volume, it's like 1.6 million there. Imagine if you're holding like a really big size, how would you dump a 1 million share? let's say you have 100 million, how will you drop? How will you how will you get rid of that? Because the average, okay, so it rejected 1156, as you can see here. A lot of people are probably thinking, oh, this is a good long, actually risk this 30 cents. The thing is, the stock is really tricky to trade, wherein you really have to pay attention every tick it moves. Okay, so for me, getting entry, if I'm gonna take a long, I probably should be taking a long here. If you're gonna take a long here, it's gonna kind of get risky because it's right within the range. So I see that it's kind of getting rejected, that area here. I was looking closely, so when it turned red right away, I shorted because it's SSR. It would be hard for me to get filled as well, but I'll be just risking this area here, somewhere at 1170. So I'm getting close now to stopping out. I was ready to stop out in case. I was watching 1160 here. If it goes 1160, probably consider getting ready to stop out. Average cost is 1146. So I took profit there on a 20-cent move, 10%, just to ease myself. But I'm gonna stop out in case it goes above 1160. If it defends 1150, because 1150 is a round number, a lot of probably people will either short there or like defend. So there's a round number there at 11. So I'm waiting for that to drop. I think I probably want to get out more 1180-ish maybe, because I need a 50-cent move for this one at least. Okay, so I decided to, if it goes back, it's holding 1110. Fast forward this a bit. Okay, that's the move I want. It's really holding 11, right? I told you it's a round number. Either a lot of people want to get in long, like this is the range that it's gonna fight from that round number, 1120 or $11. So if it goes above 1120, it's gonna go back to VWAP right away and stop me out. So I was closely watching every tick, not every tick, every move. That's why I took more in there. So I took majority of my shares there on that move. So I didn't get the move that I want. I thought it's gonna flush somewhere at 1070. I really wanted 1050. Yeah. I was tempted to add, but I didn't add because I was about to leave my desk. At this point, yeah, at this point I wasn't holding a lot of shares anymore. Probably around 30, 40, 30%, yeah. I'll take one more there and I'll leave the rest, the 20% at the break even. Come on, feel me. Yeah. So there you go. And I left. Let's fast forward this a bit. See what happened. So it's holding 1140 at this point. So it looks like it's still going to try the low of day. Oh, it's gone. Okay, so let's look where it is now. So here it's right at 11:15 when we stop. So it's probably gonna be somewhere I don't know, 1070 now or 1080. I think probably gonna be somewhere here now. Let's see. Yeah, not bad. It's close. I'm wondering if I should get out now or hold this. Anyways, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and you know what to do. It's Friday. It's been a great week. BBBY is amazing. I traded it 3 straight days. Amazing. I think 3 days. Yeah. So yeah, it's Good Friday. It's a really, really good Friday, and hope you guys are having a green week as well. All right. Bye. See you guys next week. Cheers. Don't forget to subscribe.